Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to cover Class 7 Grammar and Composition exercises from the topic Subject and Predicate. Before starting the exercises, let us first understand what are subjects and predicates. Every sentence has two parts. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called subject, and the part which tells something about the subject is called predicate. Let us begin. In the following sentences, separate the subject and predicate. Question number 1. The crackling of geese saved Rome. Here you can ask the question, what saved Rome? The answer will be the crackling of geese. Thus, the subject is the crackling of geese, and the rest, saved Rome, is a predicate. Question number 2. The boy stood on the burning deck. Here you can ask the question, who stood on the burning deck? The answer will be the boy. Thus, the subject is the boy, and the rest, stood on the burning deck, is the predicate. Question number 3. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Here the sentence talks about Tubal-Cain as a central character. That is why the subject is Tubal-Cain and the rest was a man of might is a predicate. Question number 4. Stone walls do not make a prison. Here, stone walls is the central theme of the sentence. You can also ask, what do not make a prison? The answer will be stone walls. Thus, the subject is stone walls and rest do not make a prison is a predicate. Question number 5. The singing of the birds delights us. Here you can ask the question, what delights us? The answer will be the singing of the birds. Thus, the subject is the singing of the birds and delights us is the predicate. Question number 6. Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Since Miss Kitty is a person, instead of asking what, you can say who was rude at the table one day. And your answer will be Miss Kitty. Thus, Miss Kitty is the subject and was rude at the table one day is the predicate. Question number 7. He has a good memory. Who has a good memory? He has a good memory. Thus, he is the subject and has a good memory is the predicate. Question number 8. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Here, the sentence talks about bad habits. Thus, bad habits is the subject and grow unconsciously is the predicate. Question number 9. The earth revolves around the sun. Here, it can be little tricky to identify the subject and the predicate since the sentence has two nouns, the earth and the sun. But in order to identify the subject, we must always try to know what the sentence is talking about, whether the earth or the sun. Here, the sentence talks about the revolution of the earth. That is why the earth is the subject and revolves around the sun is the predicate. Question number 10. Nature is the best physician. This sentence is very simple and easy as well. It talks about nature. Thus, nature is the subject and is the best physician is the predicate. Question number 11. Edison invented the phonograph. Here, the sentence tells us about the invention of Edison. That is why Edison is the subject and invented the phonograph is the predicate. Question number 12. The sea hath many thousand sands. This sentence talks about the sea. That is why the sea is the subject and hath many thousand sands is the predicate. Question number 13. We cannot pump the ocean dry. Here, we is the central theme. Who cannot pump the ocean dry? We. That is why we is the subject and cannot pump the ocean dry is the predicate. Question number 14. Borrowed garments never fit well. Here, borrowed garments is the central topic of the sentence. That is why borrowed garments is the subject, and never fit well is the predicate. Question number 15. The early bird catches the worm. Here you can ask, who catches the worm? The answer will be the early bird. Thus, the early bird is the subject and catches the worm is the predicate. Question number 16. All matter is indestructible. What is indestructible? All matter. Thus, all matter is the subject and is indestructible is the predicate. Question number 17. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Again, this is another tricky question because Islamabad and Pakistan both are the names of places. Now, how to identify the correct subject? First, we must understand what the sentence is talking about, whether it is talking about Islamabad or Pakistan. Here, if you read properly, then you will know that this sentence is talking about Islamabad. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Thus, here, Islamabad is the subject and is the capital of Pakistan is the predicate. Question number 18. We should profit by experience. Who should profit by experience? We. Thus, we is the subject. Should profit by experience is the predicate. Question number 19. All roads lead to Rome. This is again another tricky question. Here, Rome is a noun, but this sentence is not talking about Rome. It is talking about all roads. What lead to Rome? All roads lead to Rome. Thus, here, the subject is all roads and lead to Rome is a predicate. Question number 20. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. What needs no excuse? A guilty conscience. Thus, the subject is a guilty conscience and needs no excuse is the predicate. Question number 21. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. What soon faded away? The beautiful rainbow. Thus, the subject is the beautiful rainbow and soon faded away is the predicate. Question number 22. No man can serve two masters. Who can serve two masters? No man. Thus, no man is the subject and can serve two masters is the predicate. Question number 23. A sick room should be well aired. What should be well aired? A sick room. Thus, a sick room is the subject and should be well aired is the predicate. Question number 24. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. What glitter in the sunshine? The dewdrops. Thus, the dewdrops is the subject and glitter in the sunshine is the predicate. Question number 25. I shot an arrow into the air. Who shot an arrow into the air? I. Thus, I is the subject and shot an arrow into the air is the predicate. Question number 26. A barking sound the shepherd hears. Who hears the barking sound? The shepherd. Thus, the shepherd is the subject and the rest is the predicate. Question number 27. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. Who lives on the top of the hill? A hermit. Thus, a hermit is the subject and on the top of the hill lives is a predicate. With this, we have completed our exercises on subject and predicate. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.